A leading retailer wanted to bring the packaging line of a popular product in-house. In addition, they wanted to change the package design to make it more appealing and to reduce the shelf space required. After receiving the customer samples, Frain integrated, tested, and delivered a complete packaging line in 6 weeks. After a few days of installation and training, they were shipping the new, more appealing and profitable product way ahead of schedule. Maximizing speed to market allowed the customer to enjoy both increased sales of the new package design and incremental cash flow. Click below to learn more about Frain's unique speed to market capabilities. And see how you can get next year's revenue this year by talking to one of Frain's experienced sales engineers.
With our vast resources and expertise, Frain can provide a solution for nearly any packaging or processing need. Call, email, or chat with us online for a free estimate on your project.